In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Mailchimp. Whether you are a seasoned email marketer or a beginner just starting to explore the fantastic world of email campaigns, knowing how to revert changes can save you from potential mishaps and ensure your campaign messages are just right before hitting send. So let's dive into the detailed process of how to go about it. First off, what you need to do is navigate to the Mailchimp website. It's here where all your email marketing magic begins. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL, or simply search for Mailchimp on your search engine and click on the official site link. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, the next step involves logging into your account. You'll see the login option right there on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This action should redirect you to a page where you're required to input your credentials. Here you'll find two fields asking for your username or email and your password. Take your time to type in this information correctly to avoid any login issues. Type in your username or email in the designated field first. Make sure you use the email address or username associated with your Mailchimp account. It's crucial for recovering your account if you ever forget your password. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to check if your caps lock is on by mistake. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a link just below the password field to help you reset it. After successfully entering your login details, it's time to click on the login button. By now you should be greeted with the Mailchimp dashboard, which is your command center for creating, managing, and reviewing your email campaigns. Now let's direct our attention to the task at hand. Look for the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. This section is where all your email marketing campaigns live. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page listing all your campaigns. Carefully scroll through your campaigns and select the one you wish to undo changes on. It's okay to take your time to ensure you're selecting the right campaign. The last thing you want is to start making changes to a campaign different than the one you intended to modify. Once you've located the right campaign, you'll notice an Edit Design button. Clicking on this will take you to the Campaign Design Editor. This is where you can get creative with your email's look and feel. But more importantly, this is also where you can undo changes. Look towards the top of the editor page and you'll find the Undo button. It's usually represented by an arrow making a U-turn, a universal symbol for undoing actions in many software and applications. Click on this button to revert the last change you made. If you need to undo multiple actions, you can click the Undo button repeatedly until you are satisfied with the state of your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully undone changes on your Mailchimp campaign. It's a straightforward process, but its significance in maintaining the quality and accuracy of your email campaigns cannot be overstated. Remember, the undo function is your friend, allowing you to experiment with different design elements and content arrangements without fear of making irreversible mistakes. Remember also to frequently save your work as you make changes. While the undo feature is powerful, having recent save points ensures you can always return to a version of your campaign that you're happy with, especially after making numerous edits. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful, whether you're fine-tuning your campaign's message, adjusting your layout, or experimenting with different images and fonts. Knowing how to undo changes ensures you have the flexibility to craft the perfect email for your audience. Happy emailing, and may your campaigns achieve the success they deserve.